The invisible deck is a staple in magic, a tool used by magicians countless times across the world. This kit takes that tool to a new level, teaching you secrets and routines handpicked from legends. These routines are the personal favorite of magic's top minds. Everything you need to start performing is included in the set, taught by the legendary Joshua J. Each effect is broken down with meticulous detail, ensuring every move, motivation, and nuance is explained for complete clarity and mastery. You'll learn how to maximize the potential of the invisible deck, explore unique variations, and create effects that leave audiences speechless. This collection is packed with exclusive routines and concepts that will elevate your magic to the next level. This is Handpicked Astonishment's Invisible Deck.